Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Slush and today we are back here inside some more Madden 24. I know it's been like 3 months since we last did that, but it's whatever. We're going to jump into our Green Bay Packers franchise. We're going against the 2-5 Vikings with 99 overall Justin Jefferson. So, might be a challenge. It might be a challenge. My Bengals are officially out of playoffs. So it's really tough loss. If we had Joe Burrow, we would probably have beat them because Mahomes was playing like shit Sunday, and that was right in his hands and decided to drop it. That's crazy. No, if we had Burrow, we probably would have won that, mainly just because of Mahomes. He was playing awful. We had the opportunity. Alright, we had the opportunity to win that. It was given to us so many times. However, mixed with bad play calls, that's something. Fire Zach Taylor, first of all. Fire Zach Taylor. This man, I forget his record. I think he's like 7-31-1 without Joe Burrow. And number 33 just kept running upfield and didn't even care to block for me. Alright, thank you. But no, like, that's not a good record to have. So, it's not our coaching that's been good. It's been Burrow that's been good. Oh my god. None of my receivers can catch anything. Oh, is that Kadarius Toney? Let's see if he can actually catch. Do you think he can catch? Nope. Drop. That was scary. Nope. Dropped. As normal. Looks like we're going for it. I don't know why I pressed it. Alright, we're going to do what Jordan Love does best. We're going to move to the outside. And we're going to slide because I do not trust him to hold on to the football. This is going Jerry Jeudy. Oh my god, and he dropped it. What is going on? Why are we dropping everything? This is like the Chiefs, dude. I forgot how we got Jerry Jeudy. I don't know if we traded for him, or I don't know if we, like, got him off of free agency. I don't remember. This was months ago. But if we traded for him, I would like whatever I trade back for him. Alright, Kadarius Toney. Let's go, let's go. Ugh. Sometimes you just have to accept the rushing touchdowns. They're never fun, but you just gotta accept them. Panthers are currently 2-14. Is it too early to say Bryce Young was a bust? Now, in my opinion, I would have put in Andy, of course. In my opinion, I would have put in Andy Dalton a long time ago. Proved he can still be a starting quarterback from that Seahawks game where they lose by a touchdown against the Seahawks back when they were actually sort of good. Why was he so wide open? Go, Jerry. But yeah, back when the Seahawks were actually good, he lost by a touchdown. Like, Andy Dalton could be a starter in the league. If you were to go to, like, Washington or something, he... Actually, you know what? Yeah. Washington, during this offseason, should trade... That's a touchdown. Or not, because he decided to do this fucking thing. Yeah, so what I think would be good for him career-wise is go over to the Redskins. They have receivers. They have Terry McLaurin. They have an okay offensive line. I mean, he could definitely win a few games. He could definitely win a few games as a Commander or Redskin, whatever their name is. Speaking of which, leave me a comment section below. Do you guys enjoy the Commanders, or would you rather have the Redskins back? Oh my god, goal line interception. Uh-oh. Okay, well, we're fucked. Okay. We have nobody fast on this team. God damn it, Love. Oh, god damn it, Love. Alright, coming off of a nasty pick 6. Gives them the lead. Nobody's open. Had to throw it somewhere. Oh my god! Injury timeout. Okay. Good. It's not our dude. Oh my god, no way. No way. Oh my god. No way. There's just no way. Okay. Great. Here we go, down by 10. Coming off of 2 picks. This is the wrong play. Oh my god, he dropped it. Cut all our roster and start from beginning. Open. Wide open. Go, Jerry. Go, Jerry. Best receiver we have. Best receiver we have on this team. Okay, it's going back to Jerry Jeudy, hopefully for a touchdown. Nope, he is in double coverage. Oh, he dropped it! Wow. That's crazy. He can sling it. Oh, but our receivers can't catch. No PI? No PI? That's crazy. We're gonna try our luck with the fake punt. Oh. Going out of bounds. Ah, he was out. Darius Tony, I'm done with you. I'm not giving you the time of day. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Great field position. Wow, we might actually tie it up here. No, because our receivers like dropping balls. Okay. Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. They're going to Mandy. Oh my god, Love. I swear to God, I'm done with you. Oh my god, and there's no way I ever said. Wow. You guys think Chiefs will be first round exits this year? I'm thinking they might be. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Worked once, it's gotta work again, right? Faze told me if you drop this, I'm quitting this game and I am trading you. Thank you. Thank you, Kadarius Tony. Thank you. What's the flag? It's holding our offense. Who is it? Who is it? Yeah, you're cut. He's gonna launch this. And there's no pass interference on that one either. Oh. Alright, it's going to Jones. Aaron Jones is... come on! Wide open. Thank God. Slant like that. Good job. We need to get one off like right here. Alright, 31-31. This is good. We just need a... you just need, like, clock management. That's all we need. Okay. Okay. Kinda gonna go a little bit fast. Should I get out of bounds? No. I'm gonna throw. That's bad. Oh, that was a bad one. I am in a hurry to run a play very fast. Alright, this is going to B. I don't know who B is. Oh my God! That's what I'm not playing for overtime. Push hard. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Here we go. He got that. He dropped it. Oh my God. We need new wide receivers. We're doing the same play. Wide open. Okay. What is this? This is so bad. I don't know where I'm kicking. I don't like this. What? What? I'm so confused on what just happened. Why did my shit automatically go like that? Oh my god. Air it up. I'm just gonna get sacked. I'm not gonna air it up. I'm gonna get sacked. Alright. Oh my god, why did that just happen? I'm not punting it. I'm not punting it. Kadarius Toney. Bang. Go. 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 You're in. Thank God. I get to sleep well at night. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I need to get off of this game before I lose my mind. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Slush. I'll see you next time. Peace out.